Hey guys, Mark here from VIP Shop Management. So let me start by saying the VIP scanner is ready. I mean, obviously we're in the first testing, but if you're interested, you can start using it. The whole idea of VIP scanner is really simple. I'm not trying to make it a scanner. I just want to read the codes, clear the codes. Live data are there just for fun, not more than anything. But read codes, transfer codes to VIP, and clear codes. That's it. That's the primary of it. Already have we created a library for the codes. We have over 10,000 codes. It's not connected. It's already on the cloud, so which is cool. Keep VIP fast. All right, so let's talk about the adapter that we're using. This is the adapter that we're using. It's called OBDII Link MX Plus. If you click on buy right there, you can buy it directly, and it's an American company. It's one of the most reliable one out there, and it's one of the faster connection out there. It's really complicated, connecting to ECUs, as there's so many companies and the whole generic thing. It's like literally, it was so hard for the past 3 days to make this happen, but we made it happen. So let me show you how to connect it. There's a button right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. You gotta plug in, turn the ignition on, plug in this and press that button, and we have to add the device. It's not through VIP. Add the device through the. Let's search for this real quick. We gotta search for Bluetooth, basically Bluetooth and adapter. We gotta go there, right there, and we gotta add the device. But before it's already added, I'm just gonna do it again just for you guys. All right, so we're gonna add the device, and all you have to do is just go and plug it in the OBDII. Do this, and make sure you turn the ignition on. So, and once you plug it in, there's a button right there. You gotta press the button so you make it flash. It has to flash like this, and then obviously the key is already on. So let's go back to VIP right here, and we're just gonna click on add device. You only do this once. And Bluetooth, and it's right there, OBDII link, connecting, and then connect, and I'm all set. So it's gonna say at first connected and then not connected. Don't worry about that, it's just on idle position, but it's already paired. Let's go back to VIP right here, build RO, scanner, connect, and I'll walk you through the step what it does. So it's telling you what's going on. It's looking for that protocol and all that. So let's go ahead and read codes right here. And this is the code right here, obviously, because I disconnected that. Like I said, we have over 10,000 code definitions. So I'll be giving you an option to search for them in the future. But the whole idea is, see what I'm saying right there, transfer codes. I can transfer codes and then go back to main menu. Let's disconnect real quick to see this. That's where the code. So I can print, click on print preview, and I got my codes right there. Especially if it's one, obviously it's easy. But look, it's so hard to type this. Circuit 1, come on, man. But with that being said, let's just go back right here and OBDII and clear the codes. Let's connect again. All right, see, first of all, it does select the car, by the way, because it's detecting the VIN. If the check engine light is on, it will show it's on. The reason it's not on because I haven't started the car. And let's go ahead and erase, plug this back in right here. And let's go ahead and erase codes, confirm. And it's right there. Let's go back to read codes, pendings. Yeah, so you have pending and stored in the last codes, basically, from last time. I never understood what that means, by the way, permanent codes. I think it means the last time, the last cycle, what codes were there, which is cool. But if you drive it and shut it off, I think it goes away. All right. And then let's go look at live data. So you have RPM. Let's go ahead and start it up and see what happened. Live data right here. RPM is super fast. MPH 0 to 60 is my favorite, my personal. not gonna be at your main scanner. Again, this is for read codes, transfer codes, and erase codes. That's about it. I already tested it on 3 vehicles, and it's basically for 2008 and up. It should work on below, but I'm not gonna be focused on this 2008 and up because they use the CAN bus. Anyway, I'll make some more videos. Again, it's first stage. If you're interested, go get yourself one. Click right there, click on OBDII, click on buy now. It's gonna take you directly. And this is the one right here. It is $139. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.